Hello everybody, this is Super Nano. Today we're very lucky to have a Toyota Noah for our vehicle testing. The motor is a 2-liter engine. It's a 3Z RFE, and we're going to warm up the engine and do the testing. This Toyota Noah's got a mileage of 127,727 kilometers on it. Engine is warmed up and we're going to do our first vibration test. The first sound test. We'll just leave it here. For this engine, we're going to apply 2 bottles of Super Nanos. And before we use it, we're going to shake it for 30 to 60 seconds. Alright. Time is 2:49 and we're going to go for a drive for 10 to 15 minutes so that the particles can start working. Oh man, you did all that good. Do you feel a little bit smoother? Yeah? How does it compare to how you usually drive it? Feels lighter? Alright. The time is 3:16. We've done around 20 minutes, over 20 minutes drive, and we're gonna do our second vibration test now. So as compared as the years that you've been on and off occasionally driving it, how's the drive like now after the 2 bottles?